Did you know your brain can't tell the difference between a real promise and a fake one? It's called future faking, a manipulation tactic where someone makes elaborate promises they never intend to keep. They'll say things like, "when we move in together," or "our wedding will be amazing," without taking any actual steps toward these goals. Here's the scary part. Your brain releases dopamine just from hearing these promises, the same chemical reward you'd get from real commitment. That's why victims don't recognize the pattern. Their brain is literally getting high from empty words. Future fakers are masters of beautiful language but terrible at follow-through. They paint vivid pictures of your shared tomorrow while doing nothing today. Real commitment comes with immediate actionable steps, not just pretty conversations. If someone talks about your future together but won't plan next weekend, that's your red flag. Your brain might be fooled, but your reality shouldn't be. Words without action are just manipulation in disguise.